So I've got this power supply that came with a mixer. So this is from Behringer, who are very famous for mixers and other musical equipment. And it packed in just after a few weeks. Now, judging by the weight of it, it's probably an old school transformer. So, and it does seem to indicate it's got like some kind of heat fuse in it. But it, you know, it's not going to have very many components in, and I thought it'd be interesting to crack it open. It might be a bit messy because it seems to be quite well sealed. You know, it's like glued or ultrasonically sealed or something. But I thought I might crack it open and have a look exactly what components are in there and what there is in there to fail. So I'd just like to give a shout out to Anderton's, who are the music shop that I bought it from, because when the power supply failed, I contacted Anderton's and they provided me with a replacement within a few days, and you know, so they gave me very good service actually. And many companies that I've dealt with in the past have made a fuss about replacing units, but Anderton's were absolutely fantastic, so thanks for that, Anderton's. But they didn't want the old one back, so I'm going to tear it down for our mutual delight. Well, there you go, the lid's off. It wasn't very pretty. I had to kind of cut a hole and prise it open with a big screwdriver, but I'm in now. So this seems to be stuck in fairly well. Oh, it's just tight fitting, I think. So we have the main side here, which just has got the wires going directly into that primary there. Let's take some of this tape off and have a look. And there's like a sticky pad on the bottom. But that's it. I mean, it seems that there's basically no components in here at all. It's just the transformer. With these, there's obviously two secondary coils, and they've joined the coils together in a center tap, because this is an AC output power supply, 2 times 18.5 volts AC, which is, I've seen those kind of power supplies before with mixers. I find it useful to have that negative rail available. Yeah, so who knows why, but this has really failed in a fundamental way, and there's no fuse or anything to pop. It's just stopped producing output. I might just plug it in one more time and see if I can detect anything on these wires. So here we go. Got AC selected. Seems to be reading, don't know, it's just hopping about all over the place. I'm not sure there's any voltage there really. Let's try that one. No, same, hopping about. So I don't know, it's just failed, hasn't it?